Okay, so today I have to discuss on again another intermediate, that is benzene intermediate. Okay, so benzene intermediate, benzene is obviously by naming you understand that is benzene is nothing but that is an intermediate, obviously highly reactive species, and that is very much related to benzene ring. That's why this name is come, that is benzene. ओके जो आपका बेंजाइन जो नेम है वहाँ से हम क्या हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि वो कहीं ना कहीं आपका बेंजीन के साथ रिलेटेड है. ओके एंड ऑब्वियसली एज दिस इज़ ए इंटरमीडिएट, सो ऑब्वियसली उसका लाइफ टाइम तो शॉर्ट होगा, वो रिएक्टिव भी होगा और वो ऐसा बहुत कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज दिखाएगा जो इंटरमीडिएट के जैसा होता है. ओके वो कभी भी कोई रिएक्टेंट की रोल भी नहीं करेगा, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का भी रोल प्ले नहीं करेगा. वो ऑलवेज दैट शुड बी ए मिडिल कंपाउंड टाइप बिहेवियर. ओके सो बेंजाइन ऑलवेज शो the middle type of compound behavior. That means which is not a middle compound, actually this is an intermediate, okay, which is short living species that should be made in during the reaction. Okay, and that this benzene never be act as reactant and never be act as product. Okay, so by naming you can understand benzene is very much related to benzene. Okay, that's why this name is come benzene. Okay, so how that I will discuss. Okay, so now we have to start with the intermediate, benzene intermediate. Benzene you can better call that is 1,2-dihydrobenzene C6H4 and its derivative may be called as benzene or arine. So the name is common name, that is the simple structure is called as 1,2-dihydrobenzene. That is the formula C6H4 and its derivative that is called basically benzene or arine. You know arine, that is nothing but that is also arine is also and benzene is also similar type of naming. Okay, benzene that means which is come from benzene and arine that should be come from arine ring. Okay, okay, clear. And that is non-isolable highly reactive species. That means what? That means what? Non-isolable means what? That is many intermediate you can trap, and this intermediate that is specifically benzene intermediate that is never be trapped. आप बहुत इंटरमीडिएट को आप ड्यूरिंग रिएक्शन आप क्या कर सकते हो, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, ट्रैप कर सकते हो, आइसोलेट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, पर बेंजाइन का एक खासियत होता है कि बेंजाइन को आप आइसोलेट नहीं कर सकते हो. Benzene during reaction benzene should be produced, and by study of reaction you can guess that is there should be a benzene intermediate can be produced, but you never isolate this benzene intermediate. Okay, like as for example, what is that? Suppose you having a one friend, okay, who always help in your trouble time. Okay, when आप जब भी कोई भी मुश्किल में पड़ते हो वो आकर आपको हेल्प करके चला जाता है. ओके तो आपका सक्सेसफुल आप जब सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हो आपका सक्सेस के टाइम में वो नहीं आता है, और जब दूसरा सब दोस्त आपके आसपास होता है तब भी वो नहीं आता है. तो आप उसको आइसोलेट तभी कर सकते हो जब आप ट्रबल में होते हो. व्हेन यू आर इन ट्रबल देन ओनली यू कैन आइसोलेट your good friend. Okay, but on that time you have not so much time to focus on your good friend. Okay, because you are already busy to overcome this period. Okay, आपका जब भी ट्रैवल टाइम होता है तब आप वो ट्रैवल टाइम पीरियड को कैसे भी करके गुड टाइम में लाने के लिए आप बिजी हो जाते हो. तो तब आपका उतना फोकस वो लोग में नहीं होता है जो लोग आपको हेल्प कर रहा है on that type, right? So this type of things can be happen, that is you know that is you have a good friend and this good friend only come in your trouble time, not come in your happy time, not come in your luxury time. Okay, but you can know, but you cannot focus, you cannot give the extra effort, but you know, like that. So this is the way to understand that benzene is also that should be produced during the reaction. You know, you can guess by study of during reaction that is there must be benzene intermediate can be produced. That's why this reaction happened and that's why this product can be produced. But you cannot isolate. So this is called benzene intermediate. There must be better example is also there. Suppose as for example, there must be your mother is there, okay, in your home, and mother having the characteristics that she can do so many things. She can help your study, she help your study, she helped your father in the perspective of career, she helped your brother, she helped your sister, she helped your whole family. But when there must be any what I say, that is when any type of functions when goes, or any type of achievement goes, so your mother goes backward, okay. Many of the middle class family, this was happen, okay, this already happened. So this is the थिंक ओके बहुत सारा फैमिली में ऐसा होता है कि जो आपका मदर होता है वो दिन रात काम करता है, आपके स्टडी में वो काम कर रहा है, आपका पापा के जो नौकरी होता है वहाँ पर उसका इम्पेक्ट है, आपका मदर, आपका ब्रदर, आपका सिस्टर, आपका होल फैमिली में आपका मदर का एक रोल है. पर जब भी क्या होता है, कोई खाना वगैरह, कोई भी इन्वाइटेशन, कोई भी जब कुछ चीज़ होता है, लास्ट में आपका मम्मी खाता है, राइट. तो ये चीज़ भी बेंजाइन का होता है. सो यू नो दैट इज द रोल ऑफ बेंजाइन, यू नो दैट इज बेंजाइन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, you know बेंजाइन produced, that's why the product is produced that way, okay, but you never isolate. ज़्यादातर मिडिल क्लास में क्या होता है, मदर का वैल्यू ही नहीं देता है बहुत लोग, राइट. तो उस स्पेसिफिकली उस फैमिली में मदर का एक बिगेस्ट रोल होता है, पर मदर का वैल्यू नहीं होता है. तो लाइक दैट इज बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट, ओके. तो इसलिए तो अब मदर को बहुत रेस्पेक्ट दे रहा है, बहुत पर्सन सोच रहा है कि मदर को रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, ऑब्वियसली चाहिए, राइट. दिस इज हैपन, ओके. तो that should be happen for Benjamin. In our family, the importance of mother is biggest. During the action, the importance of Benjamin is also biggest, because due to this intermediate, the specific product that should be produced. Otherwise, the specific product never be produced. Like as for example, DSR reaction can be happen with benzene intermediate. If benzene is not produced, benzene ring never be participate in DSR reaction. Okay, so there should be, if you see that is benzene is attached with any other thing, so there should be a more or less chance that there should be a benzene intermediate should be produced during the reaction. ओके. हम लोग का जो होता है मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में, बहुत सारा इंसान होता है जो खुद के मम्मी को बहुत प्यार करता है, रेस्पेक्ट करता है, और ऐसा भी बहुत सारा फैमिली होता है जहाँ पर मदर का कोई रेस्पेक्ट नहीं होता है. पर आप रेस्पेक्ट दो या ना दो, मदर का एक बिगेस्ट रोल होता है फैमिली में, राइट. दिस थिंग दैट ऑल्सो भी हैपन फॉर बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट. क्लियर? ओके. सो नाउ देयर मस्ट बी बेंजाइन. There must be benzene, obviously highly reactive species. Why? Because this is an intermediate, obviously highly reactive species. हम लोग का मदर भी हाईली रिएक्टिव ही होता है, वो सब काम एक साथ करता है, राइट. ओके. नाउ यू सी दैट इज बेंजाइन. देयर शुड बी ए another lobe is there, p orbital, and that also be overlap. Already you know जब आपका बेंजीन होता है तब वहाँ पर सब p orbital होता है, राइट. उसमें एक ओवरलैप होता है, पाई क्लाउड होता है, ऐसे पाई क्लाउड होता है, राइट. उसके अलावा भी क्या होता है, यहाँ पर एक लोब होता है, ठीक है. यहाँ पर एक लोब होता है जहाँ पर भी एक ओवरलैप होता है. इसके वजह से एक एक्स्ट्रा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रोड्यूस होता है, उसको हम बोल सकते हैं बेंजाइन. ओके. Next on this benzene, you know this one bond can be represented as two radical, or also negative charge, positive charge, or positive charge, negative charge. That must be seen in that two orientation. आप एक बॉन्ड को आप दो रेडिकल का कॉम्बिनेशन भी बोल सकते हो, या फिर एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव और एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव का भी कॉम्बिनेशन बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. तो अगर होमोलाइटिक क्लीवेज हो ताहले दो रेडिकल प्रोड्यूस होगा, अगर हेटेरोलाइटिक क्लीवेज हो, कोई भी बॉन्ड ऐसे अगर ब्रेक हो जाए तब क्या होगा, जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड ज़्यादा फोकस होगा वहाँ पर नेगेटिव होगा, जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड चला जाएगा वहाँ पर पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके. सो हैज़ हेक्सागोनल प्लानर रिंग स्ट्रक्चर, ऑब्वियसली हेक्सागोनल प्लानर रिंग स्ट्रक्चर बेंजीन का ही तो एक रूप होता है बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट। बेंजीन में जब एक एक्स्ट्रा 2 p ऑर्बिटल क्या होता है, ओवरलैप होता है, तब एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रोड्यूस होता है, उसकी वजह से बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट प्रोड्यूस होता है, राइट। तो उसका बेंजीन का भी हेक्सागोनल रिंग होता है, तो बेंजाइन का भी ऑब्वियसली एक हेक्सागोनल रिंग होगा, राइट। So as benzene is produced from benzene, why? Because in benzene there must be all p orbitals are making aromatic sextet, right? But in benzene there must be extra 2 p orbital that also overlap and make a triple bond. Okay. So already benzene is hexagonal. Benzene have hexagonal ring. So obviously benzene also have hexagonal ring. Okay, clear? 6 delocalized pi electron, obviously that never be changed, and 2 other additional pi electron. Why? Because 1 triple bond that should be extra produced. Okay. 2 additional pi electrons make pi bond and covering 2 carbon atoms. जो extra pi bond होता है उसमें वो 2 कार्बन के बीच में होता है, right? So cover 2 carbon atoms. एक्स्ट्रा बॉन्ड में डिफॉर्मेशन 180 डिग्री टू 120 डिग्री टू 180 डिग्री। जो आपका बेंजीन होता है उसका हर एक एंगल 120 डिग्री के जैसा होता है, क्योंकि sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज 120 डिग्री होता है। यहाँ पर थोड़ा डेविएशन होगा पर ऑलमोस्ट 120 डिग्री होता है sp2 कार्बन। पर जब एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है तो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड क्या होता है, sp होता है। तो पहले बेंजीन में sp2 था, अब बेंजाइन में एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के जरिए इस रीजन में sp हो गया, राइट। पहले sp2 था, अब एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के वजह से उस जगह में sp हाइब्रिडाइज्ड हो गया, राइट। तो आपका डेविएशन क्या हुआ, sp2 से sp हो गया। sp2 में क्या होता है, 120 डिग्री होता है, sp में क्या हो गया, 180 लगेगा। तो आपका एंगल डेविएशन हो गया और एंगल डिफॉर्मेशन हो गया, राइट। In previous case, when benzene is there all the p orbital make sp2 hybridized. sp2 that means 120 degree, okay. But when there should be triple bond produced, so there must be sp2 change into, in that space sp2 change into sp, right. And you know sp to 120 degree, sp is 180 degree, so angle deviation can be there, sp2 to sp that means 120 degree to 180 degree, so angle deformation can also be there. And due to this is more reactive because there must be stain can be produced, okay. Dipolar structure, why this positive negative can be visualized, that's why dipolar, positive negative, two poles can be generated. And electrophilic in nature, electron loving group, okay. Triple bond more instability and highly reactive. Why more instability? जो सब आपका एक whole system that all are sp2 hybridized, all are aromatic ring, but there must be a, due to one triple bond there must be angle deviation can be there, okay. And due to this angle deformation, these spaces and this area where triple bond is present, that should be more reactive because this is unstable, okay. And so, but not entire with Huckel number or aromaticity. तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आता है, ज़्यादातर लोगों का क्या होता है, कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि आफ्टर बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट द एरोमेटिसिटी लॉस्ट और नॉट, राइट। Always remember there must be benzene still is there, but there must be aromatic sextet never be affected due to triple bond, okay. Aromatic sextet that should be present as usual as benzene if you compare with benzene, okay. Benzene में जैसा होता है benzene में भी वैसा ही होता है, but the difference is there, that is benzene is much more reactive due to angle deformation in specifically in that triple bond region, okay. Otherwise there must be both benzene as well as benzene who both are aromatic in nature, and there must be aromatic sextet never be affected. Clear? Okay. Now the preparation, you know that is halobenzene, there must be hydrogen is there, okay. And this base NH2 that should be abstract hydrogen, this bond that should be go this way, and Cl that should be leave. You know Cl is a good leaving group, okay. So that's why benzene is produced, okay. Obviously leaving group tendency I minus, that is good leaving group, then Br minus, and then Cl minus, and then last one F minus. F minus not a good leaving group, F minus is a very bad leaving group, ओके आपका आयोडीन हो तो आयोडीन ज़्यादा पोलराइजेबल होता है और व्हेन द साइज इंक्रीजेस टॉप टू बॉटम इन ए पीरियोडिक टेबल इन ए ग्रुप in a periodic table in a group top to bottom, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, there must be size increases, so more polarization can be take place. So that's why the top to bottom leaving tendency that should be increases. Okay, that's why Br is a most good living group, sorry, iodine is most good living group, then Br, then Cl, and fluorine is less good living group and bad living group. Why? Because fluorine is size small, less polarizable, along with fluorine having high electronegativity, and so it attachment with any other bond that should be so much, so fluorine never be go easily. Okay, clear? Okay, next there must be in this bond always try to be leave as a N2 nitrogen, molecular nitrogen. जब भी आप ही कोई कंपाउंड में आप N पॉजिटिव ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N देखोगे या फिर CO2H देखोगे तो वहाँ पर हाई चांस होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और N2 निकलने का. Okay, when in any organic compound you see that is there must be attachment of N2 as well as attachment of CO2H is there, but there must be always a high chance by heating this N2 and CO2 that should be released. Why? There must be driving force is there. This N2 and CO2 both are stable compound, stable molecule, right? Second reason, both are gaseous. Okay, when gaseous stable molecule that should be leave, there must be randomness highly in cases, del S that should be much positive, and that's why they are high due to del S much positive, there must be high chance that del G should be negative. ठीक है, तो del S जितना पॉजिटिव होगा वहाँ पर del G उतना नेगेटिव होने का चांस होता है, स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन होने का चांस होता है. ठीक है, ऐसे भी अगर एंट्रोपी बढ़ जाए तो रिएक्शन फेवरेबल होता है, एंट्रोपिकली फेवरेबल होता है. ठीक है, तो दिस decarboxylation can be take place, and this decarboxylation can be take place. There must be COO again is there, this bond that should be cleaved and this bond that should be removed. Okay, so there must be benzene can be produced along with N2 and CO2 that should be released, and that is must be maybe thermal decomposition by heating or photolysis. आप HNO भी use कर सकते हो. Okay, and in that reaction there must be del S should be positive because randomness extremely increases. Next one, orthohalobenzene, that is there must be Br and there must be F is there. Okay, F is not a good living group, but when you introduce this lithium Ag, so this Br is good living group, so that should be leave, and fluorine that should be go. So due to this benzene can be produced. Fluorine itself is not good living group, but here जो reaction होता है, in that reaction due to Br is present, Br is good living group, so that's why when Br leave and there must be bond migrate, so there must be fluorine forced to go. Okay, फ्लोरीन को फोर्स करा जाता है कि फ्लोरीन आप चले जाओ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन रिएक्शन, बेंजाइन बीइंग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, इलेक्ट्रॉन लविंग ग्रुप, राइट, जहाँ पर भी इलेक्ट्रोनेंसी ज़्यादा होगा वहाँ पर भी रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, दे अंडरगो निकोफिलिक रेडिएशन रिएक्शन ऑल्सो, बिकॉज वहाँ पर आप देखोगे बेंजाइन में देयर मस्ट बी नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, two pole can be generated. So if negative pole is there, so this negative pole obviously love the nucleus, so nucleophilic addition can be take place high chance. And there must be positive pole is also there that obviously love electrophile, that love electron density, so obviously behave like electrophile, so electrophilic addition can also be having a chance. So that's why there must be both of reaction can be happen, but still overall this benzene is electrophilic in nature. Okay, so this NaNH2 that should be this NH2 react in that way, and there must be NH2 can be produced. Here negative charge is there, here negative charge is there. अगर आपका बेंजाइन हो, आप ए बॉन्ड को अगर ऐसे पॉजिटिव सोचो ऐसे नेगेटिव सोचो तो NH2 कहाँ पर अटैक करेगा, पॉजिटिव को अटैक करेगा, राइट. और अगर आप सोचो कि यहाँ पर एक बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, तो NH2 कहाँ पर अटैक करेगा, यहाँ पर अटैक करेगा. तो बेस्ड अपॉन दैट एखाने A that should be B, so obviously this is A and that should be B. Both of two product that should be produced. And after NH3 give a proton donor. मोस्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन आपका प्रोटॉन डोनर NH3 ही काम करेगा. कुछ कुछ रिएक्शन होता है जहाँ पर NH3 itself is not a good proton donor. That's why we have to use alcohol or water. Okay. Agar if anyhow you see that is sodium NH3 along with any proton donor is there, that is ROHH2, then there must be obviously high chance that is protonation can be there. Okay. But somehow some reaction where no proton donor is there, only sodium and liquid ammonia is there, there may be the protonation can also be take place. Maybe there must be negative charge can be there, and that should be abstract the proton from ammonia medium. Okay, that is also can be happen. Okay, some reaction where ammonia is not a good donor of proton, so that's why on that cases, on those cases we have to use proton donor as a alcohol or water. Okay, but here in that reaction NH3 is sufficient to give H plus. Okay, because O negative, obviously O negative always try to be anyhow abstract the proton from any medium. Okay, that's why these two compound produced, A and B. This is A and this is B. Next one, obviously benzene undergo 1,4 addition, or better called 4+2 cycle addition, or better called that is DSR reaction. Okay, and that is behave like as dienophile, not dine. यहाँ पर जो आइसोलेटेड एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड एक्स्ट्रा होता है वो ही रिएक्ट करता है, कोई बाकी जो डबल बॉन्ड्स होता है वो रिएक्ट नहीं करता है क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी इन्वॉल्व इन एरोमेटिक रिंग. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट बिहेव लाइक एस डाइनोफाइल. This DSR reaction can be happen. This is very important. And next one, there must be this NH2 convert into N2 plus. This N2 plus that should be leave and decomposition can be there. Here CO2 can be released. Release, N2 release. Okay, so that's why the benzene is produced, and then that should be react in this acid and phenyl benzoate can be produced. So what should I get the idea? Benzene, the summary is benzene is related to benzene. Obviously the structure is almost same, but there must be one extra triple bond can be made due to extra p orbital that should be make a overlap. That's why. And this extra triple bond can be visualized as two pole, that is positive negative, and depending on this positive and negative two pole there must be nucleophilic as well as electrophilic addition can having a chances. Okay, and also obviously there is short living species, and that is not isolable. You cannot detect, but you can guess that is that should be produced during the reaction. Okay, and obviously remember that is electrophilic in nature, and that is due to this triple bond formation there must be the angle deviation can be there 120 degree to 180 degree. That's why angle strain can be produced, and that's why this is unstable. That's why this is highly reactive. ओके, स्टेबिलिटी इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू रिएक्टिविटी. जब भी कोई सिस्टम इंस्टेबल हो जाता है, स्टेबिलिटी खो जाता है, तभी वो ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव हो जाता है. जैसे एज फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर ए एस्पिरेंट, यू हैव टू यू सीक ए जॉब. ओके, यू आर नॉट स्टेबल इनफ. Okay, because you having your parents, they are poor health, you having a elder sister whose marriage is not happen due to some financial crisis. Suppose as for example there must be so many health crises in your family, so you have so many crises in your lives, you are so much unstable. That's why you having so much motivation to seek a job. आपको पाना ही है, you have to need job, otherwise your family survive, never be survive, you never be survive, your crisis never be solved. Okay, so when this type of thing when happen in your life, you are so much unstable, you are so much reactive. Okay, हम लोग का बहुत सारा एक्सेप्शन होता है. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला एज फॉर एग्जांपल इन जो मम्मी के बारे में बोला कि ज़्यादातर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में क्या होता है, मम्मी सब काम करता है और मम्मी को कोई रेस्पेक्ट नहीं देता है. ऐसा सब फैमिली में नहीं होता है. ऐसा बहुत फैमिली होता है जहाँ पर मम्मी को रेस्पेक्ट दिया जाता है. और मॉडर्न जो सिविलाइजेशन होता है, जो मॉडर्न जो इंडिया है, वहाँ पर बहुत सारा इंसान इसको फोकस भी करता है कि सब इंसान को ही रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, वो मम्मी हो या कोई जो जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी हो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो ऐसा बहुत चीज़ों को फोकस करता है जो पहले होता था. ओके, नाउ दैट ऑल्सो भी सेम थिंग जो मैंने बोला कि आपका लाइफ जितना अनस्टेबल होगा वो आपको ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव बनाएगा, और ये हर वक्त नहीं होता है। ऐसा भी इंसान होता है जिसका लाइफ स्टेबल है पर वो हाईली रिएक्टिव है, अपना बेटर से बेटर प्रमोशन से प्रमोशन, बेटर जॉब ऐसे इसके लिए हर वक्त मेहनत करता है। ऐसा बहुत इंसान है जो एक जॉब पा लिया, दूसरे एक बेटर जॉब के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है, ठीक है। और ऐसा भी इंसान मिलता है जिसका लाइफ बहुत क्राइसिस है, बहुत ही पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम है, पर फिर भी वो उसका कोई अता पता नहीं है। ऐसा भी इंसान होता है। तो एक्सेप्शन ऑलवेज देयर, ओके, बट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड केमिस्ट्री बाय टेकिंग द ह्यूमन experience, otherwise we never understand properly chemistry, because chemistry concept is very much related to human being, okay. And next one, the preparation. Always remember when any living group is there, or there must be hydrogen is there, suppose chlorine and hydrogen is there, so if you introduce base, obviously base abstract this proton and there must be living group chlorine, bromine, iodine, that should be leave. But normally always remember fluorine never been leave, but if there must be any driving force is there, and if this driving force is so much strong like here, so there must be fluorine can be leave, forced to leave, okay. And next one, reaction. Obviously remember there must be NH2 can be added in benzene in any position, any two position, because we never know this double bond where positive charge and where negative charge can be happen. We can visualize this single bond can as a combination of positive negative pole, but we can say that is which part positive pole is generate, which part negative pole is generate, okay. आपका एक बॉन्ड को आप ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हो या फिर ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हो, हम बोल नहीं सकते कौन सा करेक्ट हो सकता है, ओके। नेक्स्ट वन, DSLR रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है एज ए डाइनोफाइल, not a dine, remember that, because this isolated one's extra triple bond that should be participate, and the other p orbit, other sp2 orbitals, other aromatic sextet unaffected. That's why in DSLR reaction benzene behave as dienophile, not dine, remember that. And also there must be, if N2 is there, if carbox CO2H is there, there must be high tendency to eliminate as N2 as and also CO2, because these both are stable molecule and both are gaseous molecule, that's why entropically favorable. So there must be benzene produced and this benzene can participate in so many reaction. Benzene से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है in all the entrance tests and MSc, but benzene का प्रिपरेशन और benzene का जो रिएक्शन होता है स्पेसिफिकली DSLR रिएक्शन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, ठीक है, रिमेंबर, ओके। सो थैंक यू and please subscribe, like, obviously OPA Chemistry YouTube channel, you know there must be, you can see there must be so many organic chemistry, physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry I have done. And always remember I already done in Bengali version videos and Hindi and English version video, and next I will step by step made all the separate version of video that is in English, in Hindi and in Bengali, okay. And I already focus on PGT chemistry, CSI NET, WBSET, GATE, BARC, and again I will discuss on other entrances tests why chemistry is very important. And OPA Chemistry Facebook groups are there, 2 groups are there, and my one profile is there. And also remember in OPA Chemistry Instagram is there and thread also there. You can contact me, you can message me where your doubt is there, you can comment in the YouTube also, I will discuss, okay. Thank you.